Good morning, students. Welcome to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Still now, we have studied various components of food. Number one, carbohydrates and protein. The third one, we are going to start with a fat. What is fat? The food we eat contain nutrients that provide energy and other substances the body needs. Most of the nutrients in food fall into three major groups: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. The body uses fat as a fuel source, and fat is a major storage form of energy in the body. Now, if you see in the picture, foods containing high in fat, that are fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, chocolates, nuts, seeds, and avocado. We can also say that fat contains oil. It helps in lubrication. Lubrication means it helps in the movement of the body. Fats are also called energy giving foods. Type 1, saturated fat, which available at room temperature, ghee and butter. Second one, unsaturated fat, oil, nuts, vegetables. Now we are going to take a test for fat. Take a small quantity of a food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Does it have an oily patch? An oily patch on paper shows that the food item contains fat. Dear students, to test this, what will you take? You can take as a peeled groundnut. Dear students, let us start the presence of fat in a food sample. Here I have shown a diagram of testing and fat. Things needed: peeled groundnut and a piece of clean paper. Take some peeled groundnuts, wrap them in a piece of clean paper and crush it. Take care that paper does not tear. Remove the crushed groundnuts and straighten the paper. Hold the paper against a light source, for example, take a bulb. We can see an oily patch on the paper. Oily patch on the sheet of paper shows the presence of fat in the given food sample. Now coming to our next part, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds, known by different names. Some of these are vitamin A, C, D, vitamin E, and K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Type: fat soluble and non-soluble. What are minerals? Minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. What are the sources of minerals? Some sources of iodine like ginger, some sources of phosphorus, you can take milk, banana, some sources of iron like spinach and apple, and some sources of calcium, egg and milk. Types: macrominerals and trace minerals. Dear students, if you see, I have shown an food classification. Various food components are grouped in three classes. First one, energy giving food, carbohydrates and fat. Second one, bodybuilding food, proteins. Third one, protective food, vitamins and minerals. Dear students, in my next video, I am going to give you more details about vitamins and minerals. Thank you.